VR Unity and Unreal Project Development Course. Video 5. Unreal VR Setup. Welcome to JMP VR, my YouTube channel. It is a pleasure for me to be with all of you today. Good, let's start. Today we are going to focus our course on performing a correct setup of VR project in Unreal, so that we can implement it in our Oculus Quest headset. And we are going to prepare our template project for the future implementation of Steam VR. In later videos, we teach you how to perform this same operation in Steam VR. We are going to try to follow the same structure of steps as in the previous video of Unity VR URP setup. In this way you can compare which VR engine is more or less difficult to implement. Good. Let's start by looking at the diagram of steps that we are going to carry out, in order to have a clear idea of the process that we are going to follow. First, we are going to install Android Studio in our computer. Second, we will activate the developers option in the Oculus application. Third, we will create a new VR project template in Unreal. Fourth, we will implement the Oculus Plugin in our Unreal project. Fifth, finally, we are going to adjust some parameters. First of all, we must access the Android Studio website. And we select the option, Download Android Studio. Next, we will see a screen of terms and conditions that we must read, and finally accept it, in order to continue with the download and installation. Once the download of the installation program is finished, we proceed to run it as administrator. Next, we select the directory where we are going to install the application, and we will follow the steps indicated by the installation program. Once the Android Studio installation is finished, we will execute the program, in order to install the APIs that we will need to be able to integrate our Oculus headset in Unity. Next, a window appears in which we select Configure. Now, in the displayed menu, we select SDK Manager. A new screen appears in which a list of APIs is displayed, that includes the name and the API level. Keep in mind that the levels we need to install are from level 19 to level 30. We mark them, and then we will press the OK option. We must take into account that this API's installation process may take several minutes. We check that the APIs are installed. Now, we confirm that they have been installed. Once the installation is complete, press Finish and close the Android Studio program. With this, we have completed the first step. Now we proceed to activate the developer mode options in Oculus. You must follow the instructions included in Oculus website. To begin development locally, you must enable developer mode for the Oculus device in the companion app on your mobile phone. Before you can put your device in developer mode, you must belong to or have created a developer organization on the Oculus dashboard. If developing on Windows, you will also need to install drivers to use Android Device Bridge, ADB. To join an existing organization, follow these steps. You will need to request access to the existing organization from the admin. You will receive an email invite. Once accepted, you'll be a member of the organization. To create a new organization, follow these steps. Go to https://developer.oculus.com. Manage Organizations. Create. And fill in the appropriate information. Once you belong to a developer organization, follow these steps to put your device in developer mode. Turn on the headset you want to use for development. Open the Oculus app on your phone and go to Settings. From the list of devices, tap the device and go to More Settings and next, Developer Mode. slide the developer mode toggle. Connect your headset to the computer using a USB-C cable, and wear the headset. Accept Allow USB debugging, and always allow from this computer when prompted on the headset. If you are going to be pushing builds from a Windows machine, you'll need the Oculus ADB drivers. Download the zip file containing the driver. Unzip the file. Right-click on there. In File and select Install. Once complete, you'll be able to use Android Debug Bridge, ADB, to push builds to your device. Finally, we open the native Oculus application. We select the Settings option from the menu. And then we select the General option. If you do not have the Unknown Sources option activated, you must activate it. And with this, we have already completed the second step. Next, we will make a set of adjustments in Unreal, so that our VR template will allows us to properly connect to our headset. First, we will execute in the command prompt of Windows ADB devices. And we check if our headset is connected to our PC. The serial number of our headset will appear on the screen. If it is correctly connected, we run Epic Games and start the Unreal Engine. Once it has been executed, a screen will appear that gives us the possibility of opening a new project, or creating a new project. So, we will select to create a new project, and from the different types of project, we will select the game option. Once the option is selected, we go to the next window, in which all the types of templates available in Unreal appear. From all of them, we will select Virtual Reality. Next, we move to the Project Settings screen, and select Blueprints and C++ Development. In the option Quality, we select 2D or 3D Scalable, and in the option Ray Tracing we select Disable. In the option Platform, we select the Mobile or Tablet option, and finally we select the No Starter Content option. After that, we select the project directory, and the name of our project. And finally we select the option to create a project. Unreal will take a few minutes to create the new VR project. With these actions we have finalized the third step. The time has come to implement the Oculus plugin in Unreal. As we will see, this task is frankly easy, since it is normally installed by default in Unreal when we create a VR project. Previously, we are going to make some changes in our project template. We will start from the content directory, and we will access to the Virtual Reality BP subdirectory. In this subdirectory 3 maps will appear. We will keep the motion controller map, and we proceed to delete the other 2. We proceed now to select the Edit option, in the top menu of Unreal, and then in the displayed menu, we select the Plugins option. We search among the available plugins the one corresponding to Oculus. Once located, we will check that it is Enable. If it is not Enable in your VR project template, please check it to enable. With all these simple actions we have finished step 4. Finally, we are going to adjust certain parameters in our VR project setup, in order to obtain the full implementation of our headset. To do this, we select the Edit option, from the top menu of Unreal, and then select the Project Settings option, from the displayed menu. A new window will appear, in which we will select Maps and Modes. Next, in the Startup Map Editor, we select the Motion Controller map. Next, we select the light object of our scene, and we will change the type of lighting from station to static. After making this change, we must apply the build option to our scene. Now, we proceed to select the Edit option in the top menu of Unreal, and then in the displayed menu, we select the Project Settings option. First, we select the Android SDK option, and we must include the path of the files where we have installed our Android SDK files. Next, we select the Android option, and we select Install Android Platform. Then, we introduce the package name according to the name we have assigned to our project and to our organization. If you don't enter it correctly, Unreal may not be able to build the VR project. Next, check that the minimum SDK versions, and the SDK target version options, are at level 25. Make sure that the option package mobile devices contains Oculus Quest and Oculus Quest 2. If they do not appear, you must include them by pressing the plus option. Finally, in the supported platforms option included in the project option, we must select the Android option. With all these simple actions we have finished step 5. The moment we all waited for has arrived. We are going to test our headset, and check that our controls are visible, and that we can walk and interact with the environment. To achieve this goal, first, we connect our headset to the PC, and check that it is connected. In our VR Unreal Engine, we select the Launch and Quest option in the displayed menu. When Unreal has finished generating our project, we can see our scene in our headset. Try and enjoy it. Awesome. I hope you have enjoyed this experience. Remember, if you have any problem with the configuration of your Oculus headset, do not worry, you can download this VR project template directly on Patreon with all the adjustments. And so far the 5th video of the VR Unity and Unreal project development course. I hope this video has been to your liking. I wait for you in the next video of the course. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and support us on Patreon. Bye bye.